This program is proudly sponsored by
Trinity of Earth. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world.
Kwabna adoma.
Yama obibia akwaba edimoba experiences in life jumedia o she mi ami dijumedie mu chiame dia original Nayas bakope enenso da foforo sron kokra ai yasan ehia bim experiences in life yeto nsafre wona wako ensohwemu amanim ohawmu osum arehomu yeniom atwetwe nkomo Oma ba be share on my life experience. Enu nti ene yensa aka yenua bema Collins Asare ai yenene ba be twetwe nkomo no ne yen a share ne life experience. Ebusua aboafo a waso yasen me da won ase me twa me ho me ba yenene be twetwe nkomo.
Welcome to Trinity of Arc. We are assisting people gaining their visas to the various countries.
We are teacher, accountant, anasa office assistant. We are construction worker, plumber, driver, anasa security. Our person who took Canada, USA, UK, Europe countries. Ne amaya hodwa ekaka hunyina. And they're not for when it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Ya bua ema wunya ejuma accommodation. Ya sanso ebuashe se. Kubenya insurance
We are calling for people who want to study alone or to work alone. People who want to study and work at the same time.
So what person utu kwan wokoto and now person will call for visitor. When it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Trinity of Arc, we connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world. Madam Wasi.
For Mudafo Panayas, me and America say.
Your family Theophilus Annan, the doubting Thomas. We say a chinienti and I'm penny for see a cum son consua near Shia Ashe.
So, Pesa will get Obasima.
So, open African wear, I will pam, I bet down for all occasions, dear.
Make come for baby back up and a dear mouth. A quabna adoma.
Obe pam African wear dear mouth. I'm a washam and not down whom I will bow and say yes, we are gentlemen.
One more pam maniema, one more pam maniema, one more bags, one more shoes. And yet dear wouldn't ma na attitude and adia would snasia, na added trenibu.
And ya no one or Sansu or slippers.
Or more in between Hatcho and the West Legon, a ICJC, a sorry in Chenhua.
For number no keke. Now the friend, oh friend, or no wedding come or obey was said the amount.
Highest sky gap trends, Papanado Mamma shop back with you. Na hadie, abrotreni mankwa and ye ton hase. Titru a ye techy niema, a ye original, yet on bags, shoes. Sebia is sissy nipa, Emma would dim now ya brantier and I say rabadie, a ye sky gap trend back up our more alaji, Tabora on Sunny Fanwa, a ba African word, dia, a ye quabnaduma, a babro treniema, and it's taking niema papa padia, a ye sky gap trends.
Hello, good afternoon. Me name Ghana for more diaspora. My twamo baby, I will be from Unisofori. I me was US, me Miami and Sam, me Sansi and Ness. And come on, me no one say online digital business I costly and then I'm a person me no more check. Baby, I will be a family. That's open baby. I am open changing quantia and no any online digital business. Yeah, but the way. I dare can see a woman is a business who to me or baby. The answer was laptop. Computer, internet, wa connect and no one no. You were mentor new coach. Obedi de utata ko pimu tama wankasa won say yes. Why you successful in the business? I finished one. Government member 1099. I'm one writing off for tax as a business owner. Before many measure, it said the business na no. So when you and so catch it. Frame me na make every detail of the business. Now also up to me be successful. And then I'll meet you in the inside. Bye bye.
Me mama kwa babiem edimoba experiences in life jumedia Oshe ewo Angel TV ye ko Collins Asare ho ye no akwakotwetwe na brabom experience Collins my handsome brother ohofo that's it odo ene ye mo akwaba eba experiences in life so ejumedi eto nsafre wona wakọ ha mu ye ne atwetwe nkomo enti bi jao na wankasa wabodin na fe o life experience no one ye ahye.
Okay, me don't say. You for me Colin Sasari.
Okay.
I was once working with Salisbury as a supervisor.
Okay.
And so now I had to go off now. Came to DVLA as an agent.
Oh, okay.
Until then.
But what's the first now you juma we here and sana oba
Salisbury.
But you were here for side.
Laboni.
Oh, okay.
It's a bar in a restaurant.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so from there now bar DVLA
yeah, as an
37.
Agent. Yeah, as an agent. Okay.
As an agent, okay.
Yeah. We help people in registration. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually I went for a program, we call Program B.
Okay.
And I was coming home. And then on my way home, actually a car crossed me, right? So I had a chance, I could have hit in the car, but I thought why I say is be wasted time and
like a honomintias
like immediately, you know, as a driver, you need
car ne ball no.
Baby, car be cross over me.
Okay, now you were driving.
I was driving.
Okay.
A cross over me no. And commit me a bon.
Okay.
Now me dream say me bona fina police issue, waste of time and stuff. So let me slow down and move to the other lane. Okay. And then all of a sudden me see noise under the steering wheel. No.
Okay.
Actually, I didn't know what happened. The car pavement now on the inner lane. My car was down, so I couldn't control the steer. And then it somersaulted almost 3 times to the next lane. But thank God, no, I was in the seat belt.
Okay.
So after the incident, that night, I was rushed to the hospital, and then that's where everything started.
But you say me is here, be na infant so any see.
Okay, it's the 13th August 2022. That was last year.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just last year.
Just last year. So my 2 legs were broken actually.
Oh no.
Yeah. So I had to rush to the hospital. You know. And then we talk about police hospital.
Okay.
They were good, and then I must say they did well. One doctor, I will say, I really will always want to say big thank you to him.
Okay.
Dr. Fori.
Dr. Fori.
Yeah, he's been a wonderful doctor.
Oh, okay. At police hospital.
Police hospital.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Dr. Fori, in your main show, baby, I will be.
And then the nurses as well.
Oh, okay.
But you know, with the experience, like we trying to say, you know, when an incident happened, first week, second week, you might think, hey, you are good to go with loved ones who will come and visit you and stuff. But trust me, it's about you after you are moved from the hospital. That is when you get to know, say, hey, either you are alone or you have what we call friends or loved ones. That's where you experience life itself. Say be your own kwana by your twins.
Some didn't chowa no be you wama. Hona be who say your own kwana say be can both, I wouldn't say family side and then friends as well. And now in this situation, what I was saying is, we be now when you get bone injury, me, I wasn't fortunate much more, but I thank God, say, during that, maybe we are no cut.
Okay. If you look at the accident, there was no cut.
I was just saying your car, yeah. Muni twice so many times.
Yeah, it's just by grace.
Okay.
But we call in this situation now. What I am saying, say we need is one. It's you see, I can't have the saying say I say our teacher will
any pound.
Any pound.
Yeah.
So that I feel like, hey, look at me. I'm a breadwinner. I have my kid looking at my family, myself, my bills need to pay and stuff. And then you be in the room on the bed. I've been on the wheelchair for getting to 4 months.
Oh.
You can stand on your knees now. Yeah, cover and stuff. You know. It is a way now. People who will get close to you will talking to you. That's where some people end up losing their life. Because you might be thinking some few days ago, I was able to do this. Even Christ said, mean to me, at least I'm able to move around to get that.
At least the best support.
Yes, or whatever. I say, you get interact with people.
Yeah.
You understand? But you be stuck at one place. And then, who do you be away from?
So, mobile when you now be and feel because almost so what consortium when accident will never boo.
So easy. That is where America said you get to know those whom love you, both I would say male and female, those whom want to be close with you and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what I did, what I make us say the idea is I thank God say I had some people whom I didn't expect say even right from the hospital. It wasn't easy. Even excuse say to ease yourself, baby, you know, it's will be mouse.
Oh.
You know, yeah, baby.
Ube cogent, cry, ube
pan, share, I say.
Yeah.
And then someone needs to help you wipe those things away. And then I see one guy, you know, I'll say a big thank you to my church, Nima Presby.
Oh, okay, Nima Presby.
The boys.
Oh,
and then they did very well. Because every morning and evening, one guy called Samanati. Honestly, I didn't expect, say, he will.
Nima Presby Church, Nyamishra Mupa, Tichri Samuel Nati, Boy Yemia Collins, Nyamishra.
And then also my spiritual father, my pastor.
Okay.
Reverend Philip Opoku.
Oh, okay, Reverend.
Yeah.
You too.
Yeah. And I really thank them because they have been with me for up to now. Even now, if I should go for review, doctor doesn't believe, say, hey, they were thinking a year or two before probably I might be on my knees, my legs to start. But thank God, about 4 or 5 months, I said to myself, hey, you are the pillar. Get up. You have to encourage. No, me, the fifth born.
Fifth born.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, my no papa and man.
Yes.
Okay. But your mama no papa say.
No, my dad is late.
Oh, sorry.
And my mom is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Tipacho say, oh, no. Say na ye the bibi ashishim.
Yeah, that's metal in both legs.
Okay.
Yeah, one on my thigh.
Oh.
And then the other. Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Okasa no so when we are number 5. Na me pese me bisa say omo nyina we after say incident or how I will call me. Omo nyina we himfa enkola no we hin I mean omo we.
Talk about the family, you know. They were there, they supported.
Oh, okay.
Actually. And then I'm not yet married, but I have a baby girl.
Oh, okay. How old is she?
She's 3 years now.
Oh.
Okay. And then the mother also supported.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I'll say it hasn't been easy. It's not an easy journey or an experience to get. But since that when you see somebody or bone injury, or call BB Sama, please, I will say, I will urge you guys out there, say, you should put yourself in that shoes.
Yeah.
And then what you have to do to revive that person, you got to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tipacho o mame we. E basa no mame na neto. I was show. Emianom no so omo maka na nkasa we mo akwantu mu ana so omo wa ha kwan be na wo fa so a udidi u survive e wo so omo boa but be say hu sa na ema nyina because bibi say to ase ebusua men we nya nipa omo be do we free akomema obi etimi yiwuma eno kra na etimi ekuntem etimi ede ne ma bibiri bro ti be say ma e we hin emianom no maka no so enye fa no.
Thank you. After the hospital, like I was saying, I had to stay with my mom for about 2 months, 3 months.
Okay.
Because
at where?
Your Fadama.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Abeka, she's a Fadama.
Okay.
Fadama, okay. Mimi were almost the same area.
Okay.
Yeah. So she helped, though she's old. So I realized now, I see I'm stressing her. Let me get to my place and then see. Yeah. But the what I encounter is, imagine say you near your project be where you lay your head in these are the problems you're going to encounter: house rent, bills, stuff. You need to take care of those who are under you and stuff. Those are the problems. Those are when probably you think the people you were with, whom you go out with, or you associate with, would help you. That is where you get to know now. You have to choose your friends. Yeah. They don't choose you.
Okay, until before now, baby, I we age man DVLA. Hona na we age man. Asamne basa na diena omaye afam. Because hona na we age man. Ena incidents see ye de isi enya wo pe se bibisa be de ebisi ena aba. Bia ni ma de chinye mu asem nti e basa diena omaye e de amaw.
Okay. Ebansan at the hospital, we're in a group. Your group beam. You have to sometimes involve yourself. Yeah. They came to donate, help me at the hospital. And then when I came out, that's where probably I'll tell you, whom you should choose now. And then thank God for me. I will thank my boss, W, and then one Kenel Bedun, who is at the Bema camp, and then one Christopher. With the work in Namina contacts, I have a lot of people. What helped me also was, within the career, you always retain your customers. So that is where they will call you. I have my boys I work with. Oh, Jerry Mavi, Boari no Yesi, and that is where probably you get your daily income sometimes.
I thought that no when that's was.
Yeah. But I asked God, say, so far as look at this incident. We call programs whoever we don't survive it. But meanwhile, I meet your mechi. Let me take comments. Oh. I was like, wow, this is a second chance. So when they call me, I was like, that's my car. Then we'll be quiet. So Nakupon Kumi Nkwandi. Now that's what he has because something for me.
We'll be a hokra a Tunisia. Ye did a deal we are seeing now, doctors be yet your baby as spiritual fathers near dear bay, but want to make green in us to see. Yeah. Nah, fashion trims over when it is so.
Yeah.
Unyame. It's be perceived be says, Unia no monanka sankasan. Way. More any part of the say.
Yeah, 5 boys, 1 girl.
Okay, so 6. They see and nipa 5 na can a him fan or more. Na effort ben on my year. So wow.
Oh, they're in Accra. Okay, because one is Bako Konongo. The rest we are all here. Okay. They are helping actually. The system is not that easy now. But it's okay. I'm okay. We call, we communicate. Okay. Whatever they need to do to help sometimes too. They do.
Okay. Yeah. It used to say no cry, no issue crying.
Exactly.
See, when I know a healing re, untimi kwajuma. untimi nyehwe oye den na odidi na mpo akola 3 years no oye den na hwe no.
Okay. What I was saying is, I can't earlier on because of the public good work I'm doing for others. It's recommendation, and then I have people who call me whenever they need an assistant over there.
Yeah.
So that is where I communicate with my junior brothers or the guys I'm working with. Okay, as a messiba, but I know you anyway.
Yeah.
Make sure you do a genuine work.
Okay.
Now you know can. Then if that's the case, so we be more
No,
support. That's it. And then yeah. That's it.
And to say Accra no school.
Yeah, she's well doing in school.
Okay, into one ne maame no entem to same time sa incidency by one ne maame no oba ne maame no ne entem to say
she's been perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
But money hobby.
Yeah.
So support.
No, you're
okay.
She's been perfect.
Oh, okay. Only that's all.
Yeah, we are there.
Oh, okay.
No, because so we yes, how we joy.
No, so
we say joy.
Ubi da assembly.
Yeah.
Collins, and say na untimi enko hobby mu no. Bibi se bisa sa woni omontem say sa wo towa. Nyame be ma ho ato kra to we.
Yeah.
Because me hu die echi wudi nanso nyame ensa ba mu ma nipa no ho to.
Yeah.
Isi sa wo ho towa na adwuma pe ho aye din ne ade. Woni on e was a good eyina betimi asan come back to DVLA from Jumano movie man.
Okay, yeah. I'll go back. Even just this January crown, we call for about 3 occasions.
Okay.
And then, you know, some clients want to meet you, even though when you tell them, say, this is your incident, they want to meet you and see, say, yeah, see anything. So I have to drive to that side.
Okay.
And thank God I'm able to drive now.
Oh, okay, wow.
Yeah, I'm able to drive now. But when I get there, like I told you, it is there now. Those who are working for me, fine, I'm cool with them now. But some of them too are there. I'm going to say, we are going to be cool, but wouldn't be like
first, no.
First.
Okay.
Yeah.
It will show say na first be ma 10 gram gina so kama na eni no abasa no undi dem asem na ato won say
now
enye wo end enyi but be say bi say eya etoda say na wo dream ma wo say na wo feel toda you say numadru toda you say when that's what santi yo boni because e bia na nka nipa bi a wo feel say asemi tu wi nkom beba wo nchen ne ade no because time ana asem to mi gidi say na wo nkofo bibra eni asem to hu te toda say na wo feel say na about him say na yo.
Okay. Sometimes beginning I felt say beginning that mean to me more wheelchair now mean to me engineer because I need to listen to the doctor or my timer. I should be able to do this. Good. That was when I felt like, hey, you're alone. You've been neglected. So these are the 1-2 people with you. So we going to tell Sana meaning to say, you know, in life,
Yeah.
God will not bring manna to them. Maybe you might be that instrument.
Okay.
So then let me keep my faith high and then encourage myself. And that's it. You know, just go on your knees, you pray to God. You eat what you're supposed to eat.
Yeah.
No matter
dream baby.
Yes.
Because so dream baby so and also ntimi ma ho ento.
Yeah. No man says you don't take them.
Okay.
Because sometimes I may call on the net, look at what if this is how you should go about your diet and stuff.
Yeah.
And that also really helped me.
Yeah, I'm sure. the better so afraid osofo awo boa wa enyamia ya dom we be drew baby a we dream na Collins me be say me bisa say say said the all show no ye won kofo bi o manya akwanhia e bi kura de severe pa echi udi nso omutimi hihia nipa be brebu okro nimu no nso utimi hia no ma ne sunsun to no so e ma oboa no udi ye baasa no hwan ene watimi nya no se bia sofo anase bia obi hu a wonim no kura wo hia so beboa wo pa.
Okay, me share bisara.
Okay.
I will say, and I will say out there to those who get to this incident and say, in life, be good to people.
Okay.
Right. Unim ochina
asem.
Like my own. Say anka. Me rude to people na me try me home me some other attitudes towards people. I don't think say anka I'll still survive.
Okay.
So as I say, but for now with the accident support victims, I knew the one in charge, the pastor, already as an ambiguous incident. But even though we're not having that contact and we're not, but also we're like, okay, I'm into this. Why not also help you get out from it? So that's the relation now. Even though they supported during the Xmas, gave me some gifts, which I appreciate. But I'm okay with them. Things are okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am discerning when me attraction come because a new piano cost situation same one. Utimi kura nye ni daso anase nkranhye se kura timi ni obi betena se ekasa. It is say no so we be so oboa wa and obi be say bia oboa akwala na kwan ben enna nipa no onfa so because the situation is see that ye hyehyɛ onai mi ni nyina mu oho beto enna mdi kan enya wo end ani but it be take time eyemre it wo hia moa wo hia support every sebe adofo a ehwe yen eho. You are a very nice man, very humble. Just say me hu se nyamesuro susu ewo mu to be person oboa wa kwan be na nipa nipa so be our telephone number bia so di tudwa anase bia bibisa.
No, if I should be right, 70 men can say, "Ehia bibi, obi ma obi scarcity ya."
Yeah.
Ebi wa I don't know the amount you bit mama. Work with your bills. Work with your asa. You go back to square one. You understand? Yeah. So, me fa me how me bed and to just be me them. So when it touches you, these are my facilities. Abia, I will let you talk to my pastor now, whom you all get in contact with. You need to help. And then probably I can share my worries with. But if you say Abia, maybe to no, I'm not comfortable.
It is say we final words to nkofo a omwo wuti bie ebimu ebiso hokra na e severe se ubinya ka kwenhia na ka na emunimuni saa na sebe nyame anya adom anke twetwa onan mi yenu nyina ho tade ye hyehye onan mi yenu nyina mu nye easy ensem bibiri areho timi hye so eniema bibiri ne timi ba wutirim ko so hwese ne na wotie na eni no papa be yesa edi arechichiri nkranhye na ade be made or show
in me simple on say a life sinyakupon oni bibi mawa on my attention.
Okay.
Just thank God for whatever situation you find yourself in.
Okay.
And just thank God. Ask yourself. And say come in ni way more. Me sure mo say obi fio ofiechi.
Obi su die to aso.
This your situation. If you be there, one hear cry, you always praise God.
Yeah.
So you just have to know, say, how do I go by this? Like, just thank God. Every situation, just encourage yourself. Nyankopɔn will be ma.
Yeah.
Into that. You're not gone. Yeah. So I'll just tell my friends, loved ones over there, those who are in this situation, who say Nyankopɔn we jawo sha oma adenchu. That's all.
It will be bia or jibre and or share ase. When you go so or share experiences in life. And then share me ama bottle pa. Just say and then mood na say. And ye easy. O share you near Bema Collins. Kama Bema 10 gram. Na akwenshia. A enti se tono. Ne nedadie ehihye ne nan miemu nyinaa mu ye de we ehye nkran se nipa bia bebi a wo bia no nya nidaso ewu nyame mu ebia na ode esen ye nua be ma Collins de nanso nya gidie sabe enye opene se bebasa enye Collins pene se osori okọ na dwuma oyobia ena okasa no so ye serious on adwuma de oye bia mu enso ne ontimi nkoma o gidie se ne ho ebeto no nti wo a wo hwe me bebi anidaso no asa kodru bia no de nyame ase esanse obi wo ho a eto no ontimi mpo enante nkwa abontin mpo no de nani ehu han obi wo ho a wodidem kra nani kra ntimi hu ade bi obi so wo a eto no amono mu ho na okoye oto anananom edofo de wo kom bia no nyagidi ewu nyame mu se enkechi nyame obesho ye kan we e de ahye wona wakọ haw amaniem atiti mu ka kwanhiem usum ye kan we e de ahye mu kran nyankopon unhraw se wo gibre na wo hwe me amekai wo say experiences in life ye ne wona wakọ social amaniem ohawm etnase etwetwe nkomo eni wo mo share wo life experience na yeria ye sign eton safre counselors asofo a doctors for ye niom atwetwe nkomo etwa me ho akwakofa ni sofo soso abaso na boni ye ahye nyame asem eni nkran hyasem mi ami dijumedi mu chiame diane original Nayas bakope mi basisia.
Welcome to Trinity of Arc. We are assisting people gaining their visas to the various countries.
We are teacher accountant, anasa office assistant, we are construction worker, plumber, driver, anasa security. Our person who took wine Canada, USA, UK, Europe countries, ne amaya hodwa ekaka hunyina, and they're not for when it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Ya bua ema wonya ejuma accommodation. Ya sanso ebua hwese, kubenya insurance
we are calling for people who want to study alone or to work alone. People who want to study and work at the same time.
So what person utu kwine wokoto and now person woko for visitor. When it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Trinity of Arc, we connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world. Medamas.
For Mudafo Nayas, me and America say.
Your friend Theophilus Annan, the doubting Thomas. Me say echinienti ena mpanyimfo se yekum sonko nsuo a ne ehwia ahwe.
Sa wo pesa wo ye obasima.
Se wo pe African wear a wo be pam a be da wo ho for all occasions dia.
Me campo baby ba ko pe ene dia ma wo. Eye kwabna adoma.
Obepam African wear dia maw ama washam na da ho ma wo ba obi hu say yes we a gentleman.
Womo pam mema niema, womo pam maniema, womo wo bags, womo wo shoes. Enya dia wo na ma na etiti anade wo tena ase a na ade trene bi wo.
Enya no nko a osanso wo slippers.
Omo wo in between Hatcho and the West Legon. ICJC asori ne nchen ho a.
Fa number no keke. Now the friend, o friend na onu bedi nkomo obeye wasedi ama.
Sky Gap Trends, Cabanado Mama shop back with you. Na hadye, abrochre niema nkoa ene yeton wa ha sei. Titru eye teki niema a eye original. Yeton bags, shoes. Bia esiesie nipa ema wudi mu na wo ya brantie anase rabadie eye sky gap trend ba kope a omo alaji tabora wonsani fa ho a eba african word ya eye kwabnadoma eba brochire niema eni teki niema papa dia eye sky gap trends.
Hello, good afternoon. Me name Ghana for more diaspora. My twamo, baby, I will be from Unauthorized. Me was US, me Miami and Sam, me Sansi and Ness. And come on, me no one say online digital business are costly, and then I'm a person me no more check. Baby, I will be a family. That's open baby, I am open changing quantia, and no any online digital business. Yeah, but who the way. I dare can see a woman is a business. What me or baby? The answer was laptop. Computer, internet, wa connect no one no. You were mentor ni coach. Obedi you tata copy mu time one kasa won't say yes. Why you successful in the business? I finished one. Government member 1099. I'm one writing off for tax as a business owner. Before many measure, a sign said the business na no. And so when you and so catch it. Frame me na make every detail of the business. Now also up to me be successful. And then now I'll meet you in the inside. Bye bye.
Mimo bibia akwaba bim edimoba experiences in life jumedia oshi me amedi jumedi mu chiame no wa woni media ye original Nayas bakope ebusia eye Collins asari experiencer oni e be share no eye Benedict Crab ai my sexy pastor ai odimu akuti bebre o how awkom amania eto no enipa bebre e na omaboa no na so me sofo Crab odimu akutini ye pa te na yensa ka no ha ene na eba betwetwe nkomo papa ye mu akwaba
ya medie
oh nyankopon shira wate
amen
nyame shira
amen
akoma pa
amen
odosron kokora wunya nyame sura etena wo mu ene wodosron kwa wunya ya wode boa asari enya wanke bia ekohwe ne nkwa ko so hwa brant ye kama se ya na ensohwe o how say atona bibiri na timi o so obi se ferry eri owo di efanya mu bibiri na timi no maduru bitimi sen ho akonfo na so onyame eyaboafo e ma titiru eyewo ti nyame nhira wate
amen
si me ba cho e pese oni yen e share experience kakra e boa wona wakọ ensohwe bi mu sei obi wo kra etona enema bibiri ne ba ne tiri ti ba cho e futuru ben e na wo de bema wona wo hwe
me na sibe wa mentia wahwefo nyina TV so na me hwe wo na ene amahia wi afi na matiase papa ni de koso nyina afi na matiase yi pa ni na ye na akwanhia de enim nipa biara de bia me koseti so a presenter bisa ne se ono ankasa wanye bida se wonye bida fine ba ye bompa se wonye bi so da kan no so beti ase yi because efutu ensachira nipa agise sohwe that say ohun hwikra na wemu akwanhia na esisi no e wa bonten me no ka say last 2 years go for 15,000 and a pry omo wo hwa omo payaresa and last year so sa 15,000 abeka ho na chese aye 30,000 for the last 2-3 years dey ka ho and aye 45,000 nkofo nko apra ewo akwanhia so no kire wo se enya ade a edidi agro enti wo mo nam kwa no so a mo afa ne se se wo mo eyi achia kitamoto onya hwe yi na chese o papa ho wo mo kita ka eyi atwetwe driver fo a wo mo abre na wo mo guso mo kaka no emra wo tu kwan na kita ikofo kan no na wabre na wo da ade kwa ma wo mati asese enye agrodi kura because e plan bi wo wa wo hwa utumu se enipe onye ye biom da onye ye biom da be ma kola 10 years accident na e pai ni hase na ese wasanso akwakoto made no mu ayedin biom to say was say akola na brabo, and that is our question for you. And you say obi biara ti stereo echi. What for be na to car ma. It is my fa fidie e friend car in the agro. Na fe so e kwan na ye nam so no ankasa no. E friend the agro because e kwan no be sofu. E kwan na ye nam so no. E ho ye ni oman fufuro kra. Che say e won so ahonhom edi omodwuma e wo ye least mistake. I bet to me apaw. Ti e be say wo mo tu kwan wo mo ka hyen. Omo nam ekwan ni nchen omo tika ni mu obi amwa Uber drivers just omo nyina
obi a
edi akoniaba wo yakwan no so no
massive VIP drivers just say driver dia
omo nyina no enye ahweyie esan say etua onyanko a etua doa oti ase
ya onyanko a eti adua
so enye nunti obeheda na wakwa ma amanfo akwa hwie omukwa egu enti ebesere there are two colleagues you say oya brantie say they wo no but e fa ni trim so fi say e wiase na enu anu no na ka bia okura bia na efidi eti said nipa hu betumi aka at any time fidie hu betumi abasem at any time na no na ede no konya akwanhia onyame na amana di ni wafo fi anka nyene saa ka yenti asem papa na saa na
obi ba ba mu akama
kama
no obi ba ya kama na no me TikTok menam ho akra 25 years o yes ka say ya emsemranti mi nu ena team ena omo fa na left to a che say omo atoka na twena che say omo mi ensa nyina
mo hwere omo kwa
okra o maami okra bushi ni okra wadamfo okra o papa sa o kwaba nso wo hu bia na papa eken
eti say in fact ye de e ka menko a anka yemma wo mo kose no yemma wo mo ko hu de wo mo aye obi a obekosi accident bia we nwu a de wa pra no ya de akokire wo se nipa de wo ye no de ye nya free mu ni na wo mu de ayesua ho no because bibia e di medwuma the victims call no ma come story e de akire driver for se be ye obi ni beda ho especially e wo ya kwa no so se e ye nipa nkwa
ene
Bible say that be ye asofo mpo ya nkura nipa ne nkwan yie ye ba Jesus nyame ba obebisa wo mukra efi ye nchen na asofo mpo na ye kan we akire wo na wo driver ni a wo kura nkofo nti se wo hu se de wo driver ni wadwuma no sombo sefa obi biara ye nipa ho adwuma bia no na adwuma no sombo obi biara ye nipa ho adwuma so for doctor for police for a driver for specially a nipa ti wo fidie no o touch mase kim wa hwie enipa enkwa egu na nyankopon ebebisa mefa mo fidie so na me de asre asofo se wo mo enkai a driver for na wo mo bompaye ma wo mo esan se nipa every property so okowura kem ofri asole dem pe okowura kem wan kowura kem a oba ya kwan no so
ene bebi a woko bia se ka na ade
ko esan so ewo ho bia wo benam wa kwan so pepepe o na so obi de ne sign be abesan enti ya mompa ya ye de ne sign sa
na ye san
na tese na fe na nkofo ebenya no 20,000 people ye define na ye define ti mesre enye sebi police for NTTD for anase road safety for adwumanko a nemum asofo so kan me asofo a me yes adwuman for the past 14 years na maye na minim sede etie tina meka se menua no asofo penyifo me level ene wo mo ya ase enyina nkambom na yenyi apaye enfama driver for esanse se nipa enini demwa na oni asole ya otike mu a okodi ne dwuma bi na driver ni bi ene kura no ananka ono ankasa na kura fidie no se mpaibon kan ho ahweyi kan ho e de asem ebe base de be ya abrantie kama se ya ngese nyame na age no ye nkonye bi in fact se wo kokko ekosra
Ridge Hospital 37
years the whole Ghana the whole Ghana Ghana saying ko chen ko fa de one of the girls 24 years very beautiful girl na moto ebo to paralyze from waist down. For 1 year ni no yesua no wo form eno kwampo ya bre no enti ye wheelchair na be call ye na girl no nya de nsa so wheelchair no na wa start so na otie de akwahia no eye nkofo eye mobo just send victim support de ye adwuma de na so ye be stress amanfo be ye ahwe na ye nam ya kwa no so a ya ye de se ne de expectancy de be ya bibia ye ko ene bibia pese ye ko ba bia no be kwa ba jojo as obia ho enka. In fact, everybody deserves to get home safe.
Okay.
Obia deserve it. They want to me and for one could do no. Nani panel and I want you to me. The best driver for. You two driver for now. You 2 passenger for now. 2 pedestrian.
Passengers for now. But na ke no was tiaso. Tiaso me pentem tiaso. Eso who say won kwan.
Exactly.
Eh ba ko pe ene nkwa ye nto sika hin kure kitawa. Wontimi
exactly. Nti efutu ayewo edema omaine na ye be sere so say me de bia mka say ye doso na maka che every year bia makra na ye 15,000 14,000 15,000 14,000
esutimi twa
good na emwa na ye hia dia masankofo we obi wo wa onwu at the spot obeko kolibu onwu na mo be yi na free kolibu akofie
no akowu
wo ho but ye to me eboa wo mo ema wo mo akade ne mmoa ayebetumi ama wo mo anya awehemu enidaso se ademudie na ya di wo mo obi dwene wo mo oman ni dwo mo metumi atena bioma
anya wo pene se wo sabi wo be didem ana se BBC betimi ato
the one say there is nobody our accident victim or cars wo fie say me kwa accident na maba ana say thank you obi eni wo sa anje sa na arewo no akoye bibia ye den pa de ya kese pa so odi ka no kra be ball no we fitire kra no omfa ho ena egya no so ena egya no na mebo modi ade ma me bi abrel ne ba on the 14th na ne ba na nya akwanhia wuye insurance aye kwa akwaje akola 9 years so talented obo drums obo organ obo trumpet oye instrument bia e wa sole 9 years obo ka ku akola we ye ji insurance amana insurance fund so be man 20,000 on se we bi we ni be ni be brel na need nkomo ofre me nra na ma mi da pharmacy reverend na me say ya just Ghana crowd them in tears kura bio me tears bio akwahia na ye kan wasa
ya hweye
na ma mi so me baba ko pe
Jesus
na driver ye kuno na me no ka say driver ni kran konkochi ama me no kan say e ma wo ya koma shedin we te say na bibia reverend we dwane na insurance for kan bibi imponent na koma so o si o man 20,000 mami ya fashion up dada wa fashion up dada
obebodua
we bo te say wa fa ne de na wa bo awi so
on the yano and a reverend bia because e bakro wu
baba akopɛ
ya hweye ni mpaibo de mami a wo hweye nhedin why ye ma ya akọ
ye be sere na wa fidie so ya sere na wa sere wo mo se obi ensa e obi na o pese oboa obetumi afre wo producer ana se obetumi afre wo ankasa so wa contact na enipa no de wo bia no na de aba beboa na wo modo so pa Ghana nyina ela se bolga ye free bolga be du ya na vrongo ni wa afre ye se aba bolga dia se last year ko temale ya ba bolga dia ni wo mo sire wo mo so wo wo pa akwanhia ni ko wo
nyamisha ni adwuma pa wo de ato wakoma so a oye de aboa omen nyame onhira pa and sofo pastor crab pastor crab okoto ai adwuma pa na oye de wo furu dia pa no abusua ye piano boafo ho na sebe onji sika ne se odi nti emwa kakra bi a wo no fa be support na sebe omo di dem omo ni da aswasa wona woni bi na nka je won pene se bibi sa beto na atom no ohiamwa eti emwa no ewo ho no na apeso beboa omodian na frame mi de mi producer number be ma na yemfa emwa no nyame unshra sofo nyame nshra pa because asare di waboa no pa because abemu ati say so when shia wa enke bia nka wanu madure kwa na ho bone because very any owuo di efenya mo wo hwe sene a wo don namfofo wa fefo je say mo koba na I mean all of a sudden within a short time no na what me nya accident say na ye did ade ahihye wo nem na baby e say wo kokra wuntimi nko so wo wuntimi nko adwuma e na utimi so ofere ade so kakra nya obi a no betimi ebisa no bibi it's very sad it's boafo ho na nyame unhira wo pa say from that time na boafo so ni mu eboa na busua na mfo nyame hira no nyame hira mu nyina but what so ni mu yi onyankopon unhira nya we bisa de nyina
amen. Amen.
Nyankopon nshra pa. Amen. Obetimi do telephone number and I be a omo frame me producer.
Producer do oye patron.
Oye patron. Wa person obo bia important ma me pa but mo dey na contact me. Dey me producer number ebe ma na ebo bia wo bia wo dey aboa papa se bi wo twa nani ehwe wona wo dey bia we did them akonsohwem na ye de asopporto no nyankopon wonhira o se papa ye to nsa frɛ wa wo ba ye nyame wonhira o pa na me kai o se omodin ase obehwe experiences in life jumedie ewo Angel TV jumedi a yedi se kam sa wo pese o sponsor ye o so ya sene a anasa wo de oniyama ba ne ye bohu de ruton ma wa bomodin ase obefrɛ ye number 0244506706 wo screen enim so a ego abusuafo makramo dasanne ye besan ehia mi a mi di dwumadi mu chia me dia eye original Nayas bakope ciao. So happy watching my mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by you guys. I'm so happy watching my mesmerized by you guys.
This program is proudly sponsored by
Trinity of Earth. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world.
Eye kwabna adoma